This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Rolex, a brand that has long represented timeless luxury and exceptional craftsmanship, is encountering an intriguing challenge in today's dynamic market. While models like the Submariner and GMT Master 2 continue to be highly coveted, others, especially the more extravagant full gold designs and bulkier pieces, are experiencing a decline in demand. Consumer preferences are shifting towards sportier, more versatile styles, leaving some of Rolex's classic offerings in need of attention. This shift reflects not only changing buyer tastes, but also broader market trends that are transforming the luxury watch industry as a whole. Purchasing a Rolex used to be as easy as walking into a store, but now, with long wait lists and the requirement for a solid purchase history, it feels more like becoming a member of an exclusive club. The core issue is that supply cannot keep up with the overwhelming demand. Recently, the prices of Rolex watches have surged because of their rarity in stores, turning them into highly sought-after items on the secondary market, where they often sell for nearly double their original retail price. For investors, this could be a prime opportunity to buy, as rumors of potential price drops begin to surface. While Rolex has long stood as a symbol of luxury, the market is shifting. Some models are struggling to keep up with demand, showing that even high-end goods are not immune to market forces. For both watch enthusiasts and investors, this is a fascinating development to watch, pun intended, as these iconic timepieces adjust to new market conditions. Welcome back to Luxury World. Today, we are exploring the highs and lows of the Rolex market. Some models are becoming easier to find, while others remain rare. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we invite you to do so now to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Rolex appears to be keeping its latest releases as elusive as a quiet moment in Times Square. However, there is a twist. Datejust models are becoming more available, and the once hard-to-find no-date Submariner is making a comeback. Just last December, getting one was tougher than grabbing the last piece of Thanksgiving pie, but for dedicated Rolex fans, not just resellers, 2025 might finally bring that dream Submariner within reach. Of course, just when you think you have figured out Rolex, they change the game. Currently, the sweet spot for Rolex is between $88,000 and $115,000, covering highly sought-after models like the Steel Submariner Date and No Date, the striking Submariner Bluesy, and even 18-karat yellow gold versions. The GMT line, especially the Bad Girl, is flying off the shelves, while lesser-known models like the Explorer 40 and Datejust 41 are gaining traction thanks to their new dial colors. Despite a retail price hike since the new year, the gray market is stabilizing. Prices are holding steady or even dropping. Once hard-to-get models like the Oyster Flex Daytonas are lingering in stock, reminding us that even the stars of the show can lose their luster. Let us shift our focus to production trends. If you are hunting for the elusive GMT Pepsi, prepare for a challenge. It has all but disappeared, with no sightings since late 2023. Whispers of slowed production and possible discontinuation make finding one feel like a treasure hunt, but do not rush into a hasty purchase. The watch market is unpredictable, and models like this can reappear just as quickly as they vanish, almost as if they are pulling out a magic trick. Meanwhile, Oyster Flex models, with their combination of metal and rubber, have yet to win over collectors the way the classic Oyster bracelet has. This serves as a reminder that, even in the luxury market, tradition often holds more weight than innovation. There is something timeless about the rugged durability and old-school appeal of Rolex watches that continues to draw enthusiasts in. As for full gold models, whether yellow, rose, or white, they still shine, but they are not grabbing the same attention they once did. The trend is now leaning towards sportier, more versatile designs. However, for those who appreciate the understated elegance of white gold and unique dials, there's still a quiet luxury to be found, like stumbling upon a serene cafe in the middle of the bustling Times Square. If you're looking for one of these substantial gold Rolexes without the extra flair, you might find the market more welcoming than you anticipated. It is a reminder that in the world of luxury watches, even the smallest details can make a significant impact. Interestingly, prices for these full gold models with standard dials have begun to drop, and this trend is not limited to one region. There is a strong international demand, with these watches being shipped globally each week. This worldwide interest underscores the increasing appeal of high-end watches, with inquiries coming from all corners of the globe. Here is an insider tip. Not every Rolex is selling as quickly as anticipated. While the brand remains undeniably appealing, shifts in the market and investment trends are impacting availability. Let us focus on the gold pieces. Full yellow and rose gold models, such as the Sky Dweller and some Datejusts, are beginning to feel somewhat overlooked, accumulating dust unless they feature special dials that collectors cannot resist. It is an intriguing trend. Models like the legendary Paul Newman continue to attract attention due to their unique dials, while larger gold pieces without distinctive dials are not exactly flying off the shelves. While the market is active, it is not all smooth sailing, especially for those looking to make quick profits. The pressure is mounting, so whether you are an experienced collector or a newcomer eager to explore Rolex, staying informed about these trends will help you navigate the sometimes unpredictable world of luxury watch collecting. Let us take a closer look at those full gold Rolex models. These are not your typical gold watches. They boast polished bezels and minimalist dials in elegant shades like champagne or soft silver, radiating understated luxury. So, what aren't some Rolex models flying off the shelves? It turns out consumer preferences are evolving. The trend is shifting towards sportier, more versatile designs, leaving the more extravagant full gold models, along with bulkier day-dates and skydwellers, waiting for a fresh audience. Even the sleek Oyster Flex bracelet, impressive as it is, has not replaced the classic Oyster bracelet. For those on the hunt for the elusive Pepsi bezel GMD Master 2, brace yourself. It has become as hard to find as a quiet corner in a bustling city. Meanwhile, mid-range full gold pieces are losing appeal, often overshadowed by their flashier counterparts. The resale market is also experiencing some strain, as profit margins shrink, causing many resellers to bow out. This shift is a win for true watch enthusiasts, clearing the path for those who value the craftsmanship of watchmaking over the flipping game, and it could even lead to some great deals on the horizon. It feels like the watch world is undergoing a reset, possibly returning to an era when craftsmanship and the excitement of the hunt were the main priorities. Looking ahead, do not be surprised if enticing offers on these more understated full gold models start appearing in the next 6 to 12 months. For those quick to flip, it might be time to rethink your approach, as the Rolex market seems to be going back to its roots, focusing on genuine appreciation for fine craftsmanship and the thrill of collecting. As we wrap up, it is clear that the Rolex market is experiencing significant changes. While the brand's iconic status remains strong, it faces challenges as the luxury watch sector continues to evolve. Keeping an eye on market trends and consumer shifts is crucial for understanding the bigger picture and the future of Rolex and the luxury watch industry. Investing in these timepieces is about more than just making money. It is about embracing the artistry and legacy behind each watch. While profits are appealing, the true joy comes from owning a genuine piece of horological craftsmanship. The changing preferences towards sportier, more versatile designs and the declining demand for certain gold models indicate a market in transition. For both collectors and investors, these shifts offer distinct opportunities, whether it is acquiring a rare piece at a more reasonable price or embracing models that blend traditional craftsmanship with contemporary appeal. Ultimately, Rolex's lasting legacy is rooted in its ability to adapt while staying faithful to its core principles of precision, quality, and timeless design. As the market evolves, one thing remains clear: the excitement of owning a Rolex will always be in style. What are your thoughts on the latest happenings in the Rolex world? If you enjoyed this, we would love to hear from you. Leave a comment and give us a thumbs up. Be sure to follow our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our future videos.